Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling foldable cycling scooter of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the product. Product 1. Product name: Foldable Cycling City 3-in-1 Scooter. The Foldable Cycling City 3-in-1 Scooter is an innovative and versatile scooter designed to cater to the mobility needs of children aged 2 to 12 years old. Set to debut as a new product in 2023, this scooter offers a unique combination of features that make it an exciting option for kids and their parents. One of the standout features of this scooter is its foldable design, which makes it incredibly convenient for transportation and storage. This folding mechanism allows for easy portability, making it a great companion for family outings, trips to the park, or even school commutes. Parents can effortlessly fold and carry the scooter when it's not in use. The Foldable Cycling City 3-in-1 Scooter is aptly named for its multifunctionality. It offers 3 modes of use, making it adaptable to the changing needs and skill levels of children. In its basic mode, it functions as a standard scooter, allowing kids to push themselves around. As children grow and develop their balance and coordination, the scooter features a sliding mode, adding an extra element of fun and excitement to the riding experience. This versatility ensures that the scooter remains engaging and suitable for children as they progress from toddlers to pre-teens. Entertainment features are also integrated into this scooter, including music and lights. These additions enhance the overall riding experience, making it more engaging and enjoyable for young riders. In conclusion, the Foldable Cycling City 3-in-1 Scooter is poised to be a game-changer in the world of children's mobility. Its foldable design, adaptability, and entertainment features make it a versatile and attractive option for parents looking to provide their children with a safe, enjoyable, and convenient mode of transportation. With its expected release in 2023, this scooter promises to be a popular choice. Product 2. Product name: Cycling City 2 to 12 years old children's scooter. The Cycling City 2 to 12 years old children's scooter is a versatile and innovative mobility solution designed for children aged 2 to 12 years old. This scooter is not just your ordinary scooter. It comes with several exciting features that make it a fantastic choice for young riders. One of the standout features of this scooter is its foldable design, which makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transportation. This feature is especially handy for parents who want to take the scooter on family outings or store it easily when not in use. Additionally, the Cycling City children's scooter is equipped with music and lights, adding an element of fun and excitement to every ride. The built-in music and lights not only entertain young riders, but also enhance their visibility, making it safer for them to ride, especially in low light conditions. This scooter is designed with 3 wheels, which provide stability and balance for young riders who may still be developing their coordination skills. The 3-wheel design. All features of the Cycling City children's scooter is its 4-speed adjustable balance car. This feature allows parents to customize the scooter's speed to match their child's skill level and comfort, ensuring a safe and enjoyable riding experience. In summary, the Cycling City 2 to 12 years old children's scooter is a foldable scooter with music and light features designed to cater to the needs of young riders. Its 3-wheel design and 4-speed adjustable balance car make it a great choice for children who are still developing their scooter riding skills. With convenience, safety, and fun in mind, this scooter is an excellent option for parents looking to provide their children with an enjoyable. Product 3. Product name: Cycling City children's scooter. The Cycling City children's scooter is a versatile and innovative scooter designed for children aged 2 to 12 years old. This scooter offers a 3-in-1 design, making it a multifunctional and adaptable choice for young riders. It is not only a mode of transportation, but also a source of entertainment and fun for kids. One of the standout features of this scooter is its foldable design, which makes it easy to transport and store. This feature is particularly convenient for families on the go or for those with limited storage space. In addition to its practicality, the Cycling City children's scooter also provides entertainment through music and lighting. The built-in music and lighting features add an element of excitement and joy to the riding experience, making it more engaging and enjoyable for children. These features can enhance the overall playtime for kids as they scoot around the neighborhood or park. The scooter's 3-wheel design offers stability and balance, which is crucial for younger riders who are still developing their coordination skills.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.